Hi friends, welcome back. I'm going to do a little activity with you. It involves our shapes. I know that in our progress reports we worked a little bit on those and we've been practicing them throughout the year. So hopefully this will be just a review for us. Okay? All right, so I have all my crayons. You don't need to have crayons if you don't want to. Otherwise, you can just use a pencil. I'm just going to use a different color for each shape, okay? All right, so the first one that we are familiar with is the circle, okay? So on your paper, or you can do it just with your finger, just in the space. You can make your circle like this, or you can make your square, however you feel comfortable, okay? So the first thing that we're going to do is we are going to make a circle. And I chose my red crayon. So go ahead and make your circle. Okay, do the best that you can. And then you can shade it in if you want to. You do not have to. We're just focusing mostly on the outer part of the shape itself. Next, let's go ahead. We're going to do our rectangle. Now, our rectangle has two long sides and two short sides. So let's go ahead and make our long sides first. Okay, and I'll make my other long side, and then I'll go ahead and close the sides up. So you can see two long sides and then the shorter sides. And then you can go ahead if you'd like and just shade it in. Okay, don't have to color the whole thing. So we've got our circle, circulo, and rectangulo. Next, we're going to go to our oval. Now the oval, it's more slender. So it goes like this. It kind of looks like a circle, like it belongs to the circle family, but it's more slender. So we call that an oval. And you can go ahead and just color that in. And then we have our square. A square, we've talked about it, is made up of four equal sides. It looks like a box. So we just try to estimate and go ahead and color it in so it has four sides. And no matter how I would do this, if I turned it like this, my square would still look the same, or the other way. A square is always the same no matter how many times you turn it. Then after that, we're going to do a triangle. A triangle has three sides. I'll press harder on my yellow because it may not show up to. Oh, it does. Okay, so we go like one side, then two, and then we cross the bottom. So 1, 2, 3. Go ahead and shade that in. Okay, so far we've done circle, rectangle, oval, square, and triangle. Next shape is a heart. And I know we talked a lot about that on Valentine's Day, and we worked with making hearts. Some of you made Valentines for your classmates with heart shapes. So a heart is basically, you start in the middle like that. We start right here, and then we go around and come down. Kind of looks like an ear. If you look at your ear, that's part of the direction that we're doing with the heart. Then we come back over, around, and down. Okay? So a heart shape. How are you guys doing? I give you an A for effort, right, friends? Very nice. Then after that, we have, we're going to do a star. Okay, I'm not that great at doing a star. Sometimes we know that a star has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 points. So when I make my star, I may try a different color that may stand out a little bit better. I'll do my purple. So when I make a star, I'm going to go like this, like a point and a point like that. And then I'm going to go like this over, for each one. And then after I do that, then I'm going to come down and then do the same like that. So far we have 3 points, 1, 2, 3. And then I'm going to make the bottom another point and then the other point. So it's not perfect, but we tried, okay? I tried. So let's go ahead and color it in. Friends, can you think of any other shapes? So we have a circle, a rectangle, an oval, a square, a triangle, a heart, and a star. One thing I can think of is a hexagon. A hexagon, when we make that, that may be harder to do, but we'll try. So a hexagon, we start off with a straight line. Okay, and then after that, we're going to go ahead and make a slanty line and another slanty line out. And then after that, we're going to go back in. And then we'll go back in on this one. And then we'll go ahead and close it at the bottom. So if you look at it, we 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then we just color it in. Friends, do you think there's any shape that we may have left out? So let's go ahead and we'll go through them again. To help me out, star, square, circle, hexagon, triangle. Let me move my hand. What do we call this? A rectangle, oval, and heart. So friends, you can try this on your own. Maybe you can use these different shapes to make different creations that you have. You can do it with a pencil, or colored pencils, or you can do it with markers or crayons, whatever you want. But just a thought, this may be some fun activities for you to do. Thank you for being with us. We will be back soon. Bye.